Hi everyone, this is William here from Beyond Infinity, and today I'm going to go over another thinking skill question from the selective sample test 2022 that's available on the New South Wales Department of Education website. And the question goes like this. A street has a line of 5 houses next to each other on one side of the road. The 5 houses all have front doors that are painted a different color. A student looks at the houses from the opposite side of the road. The student labels them according to the color of the front door and records which houses are to the left and which houses are to the right of each house. Which 2 houses are next to the yellow house? All right, so you could have a look at the question, pause the video, think about it yourself, and then unpause and see how we could solve this problem. All right, how do we solve this problem? This problem on the surface looks very complicated, isn't it? There's 2 rows, there's different colors. It looks very complex to solve, but in fact, it's not, because there's a trick to it. Imagine if you're looking across a bunch of houses from opposite the street, right? If you look, it doesn't matter whether you're counting from the left or looking at what house is to the left of what house or what house to the right of what house. The order is still going to be the same. So really, you don't need both 2 rows of information. All you need is to analyze one of them. For example, houses to the left. All right. So, and now we think about houses to the left, right? So the table's recording what house is to the left of each house. So you can imagine that the leftmost house, would not have any houses to the left of it. So in the table where there's nothing, that would be your leftmost house. So blue is in fact your leftmost house. We'll label that 1, right? The next house would only have 1 house to the left of it, which is the blue house. And so out of this table, we can see that the second house to the left is red. And then after that, there will be the next house would have 2 houses to its left. And so yellow is 3. And then you can continue with that. Green is 4. And finally, pink would be the rightmost house because it has 4 houses to its left. So pink is 5, right? Then you can clearly see that yellow house, being 3, is obviously next to red, which is 2, and green, which is 4. So the answer, which 2 house is next to the yellow house, is in fact D, right? The answer is actually D, green and red.